Right, just a quick video to show how to change the batteries in the LED Pokeball. So first of all, we've got these small screws which came out of these two holes. You want to be careful not to force this lid open with your hand when you've got this in the open position. There's a risk of damage the hinge position here otherwise. So once the screws are out, minimal tension on those, we're going to pinch this middle section between our hands, grab hold of the white part and just wiggle it apart, which shall reveal the battery holder in the bottom. Now I'm taking the batteries out of this, so putting them in will obviously be the opposite. I'm going to take a small knife blade and just prise in the gap, or with a fingernail you can get it in there. Just a couple of locking tabs here, carefully open that so you can see the batteries in. Note the position, one face is up and one face is down. Try and get a good shot there. So it's written inside, it's quite hard to see, but just make sure that the batteries go in the correct position. Oh. When you're refitting, just can't get that down. There we go. If you were putting the batteries in, then we're going to press that lock tab down. There it's an on-off switch at the end, so make sure that's in the on position. And then the refit would just be the reverse. So we just line we're going to line up these location tabs inside with the grooves on the outside edge of the ball. Press this together. Open up the lid and then refit our screws. Now, when we refit the screws and you're screwing them in, very minimal force. Don't force them at all. Don't overload it. We're just going to take that down, and the second that it stops in position, nice and gently, and it'll be basically flush with the top, and then we stop. That's it. Other screw. Same again, nice and gently in. Just take your time. And if it starts to get a bit tight, then you can always sort of reverse slightly, just to give that a loosen up and then back in. And again, as soon as it nips down, you feel it basically stop in the tight position. That's it, and you can just check that the screw heads are flush and the lid closes cleanly. And that's it, job done.